Hello, my name is Kung. This video will show you how to configure the dynamic routing protocol RIPv2. You can also read the article about this topic from my blog by accessing the link in the description below this video. RIP, Routing Information Protocol, is a dynamic routing protocol and classified as a distance vector protocol. RIPv2, the version 2 of RIP, is used for IPv4 routing in small networks. It is a classless and defined in RFC 1723. As a classless routing protocol, RIPv2 does not include subnet masks in the routing updates. By default, RIPv2 automatically summarizes networks at major network boundaries. When automatic summarization has been disabled, RIPv2 no longer summarizes networks to their classful address at boundary routers. Here is the simple network topology with three routers R1, R2, and R3. R1 connects to R2, and R2 connects R3 with serial links. And then I also add three switches that connect to the three routers respectively. Finally, I connect a computer to each switch for testing. Now, building network is finished. I'm configuring IP addresses for the interfaces on each router. After assigning the IP addresses to the interfaces, the routers add two routing entries for each interface to the routing tables. When issuing the command router RIP on R1, R2, and R3, the routers enable RIP version 1 only. The version 1 is the default and also allows the routers receive the RIPv2 packets, but not allow to send them. Using command version 2 will make the routers run RIPv2. For advertising their directly connected networks, use the network commands. R1 has two directly connected networks, R2 has three networks, and R3 has two networks. It's time for testing. Assigning IP addresses for the 3 PCs. Let pinging PC2 from PC0. Yeah, the network is working. Let's check the routing tables to see whether the routers have learned their remote networks with RIPv2. The routing tables have more routing entries added with the root source code Rs. The code Rs indicate the root entries are learned by RIPv2. RIPv2 has the feature of default route propagation with the command default information original. Thank you for watching.